Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we'll draw Melody, the musical pet from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, as usual, I'm going to draw two eyes. And I'm going to do the lower part of the eye. I'm going to do a little line there. And just on this side, you're going to do the same thing as well, like this. And now we're going to make it nice and round at the top. Make it nice and round. Bring it back to the lower line. And we'll do the same thing here. I'm going to start on this side. It's better for me because I'm left-handed. It's easier for me like this. Now I'm going to draw the pupils. So I'm going to start right here, a pupil, and next to it an iris, and I'll do it on this side as well. A pupil and the iris, and then of course a light reflection. And one here in the corner as well, at the bottom. On top here, I'm going to draw another light reflection, and I'll just do a smaller one here at the bottom. And now I'm going to draw the eyelashes. Start up here. I'm going to draw a beautiful eyelash, and we'll do it on this side as well. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to bring it back and connect it right here. Now let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. We're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm just going to draw the lower parts first, and then I'm just going to draw the upper parts. There we go, there's one, and let's draw the other one as well. Now from the corner of the eyelashes, I'm going to draw the body. I'm going to draw sort of a hourglass shape. I'm going to stop right there. Now I'm going to try to copy the same thing on this side as well. And then I'm just going to connect it. And there's the body. Now let's follow up and we'll do the top line. So I'm just going to follow this line through right there to the eyebrow. And on this side, let's do the same thing up to the eyebrow. And now here we can just do the top of the head. Now on the sides, there are two musical notes. So I'm going to draw a little musical note here. Let's draw the bottom of the musical notes first. The little belly. And then up here, I'm going to draw a musical note. There we go. Let's do the same on this side as well. On the sides, we're going to draw arms. I'm going to draw a little arm there. And on this side, I'm just going to try to do the same thing. There we go. And there's another arm. And right at the bottom, you can draw the feet. There's one foot. And then here is another one. And now we can draw a smile. So up here, I'm just going to draw a little upside down smile, but it's going to be an open mouth. And here I'm going to follow the curvature of the body, take it all the way around, take it all the way around and connect it back to the top. And now we can draw a nice open mouth. And I'll draw a little tongue. There we go. I'll draw a little tongue right there. And then there's a few spots. And there's Melody. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Melody will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.